Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to blend in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Blending images and elements in Canva can enhance your design by creating seamless transitions and cohesive looks. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the project that you are working with or the design that you're collaborating with your freelancer, your client, or your team member. Or if you don't have one yet, just click on the create a design here option. In my case, I'm gonna be looking at the YouTube thumbnail because after recording this video, I'm gonna upload a YouTube thumbnail in our Gplaps channel. Okay, so I'm going to the upload subsection here right here. All right. Now, the first option that we're going to do is select the element here in this canvas. In my case, I'm gonna be using the upload button, and there's an option using transparency. You see that? Now, this is going to be a checkerboard icon, and you can use the slider to adjust the transparency of the element that you wanted. Now, for us to be able to do that, I'm going to hover to a specific photo. For example, wanted to add this guy right here. Maybe this one, right? Wanted to add it around here. And we can adjust the transparency, something like this, so it's not overwhelming. Or maybe let's create a new page. Add the photo again earlier. This one right here. And I'm going to add another photo, something like maybe the other guy earlier, this one right here. We're going to use the transparency later. And I'm going to add a video, maybe something like this one. I can add it here on the top. You can be creative. You're not limited with the options, right? So I'm going to add this. What about this? I'm going to delete that. I'm going to choose a simple video, maybe this one right here. Okay, so perfect. Now, we're going to add a text. For example, I'm going to be using this because it's almost Halloween. I'm going to resize it to like 50 so that the font size, let's make it like 200 this time. All right, so again, the transparency button works like something like this. All right, so these are some of the options. Adjusting the transparency of the element allows the background or other layers to show through. Right, this helps create a smooth blend between elements. All right, now another option that you can do, for example, is I'm gonna click on this for now. For example, if you don't want this on the front, you can put it on the backward. You see that? Send to backward. You see? That text is already just here, all right? Basically, what we're doing right now is layering images or elements, all right? You can place images on top of each other in your design. You can send it to back. You can send it again to the front right here. See that? And again, you can adjust the transparency of the top of the image to blend it with the image below, right? Another option that we can explore is go to the elements and type in gradient. And the gradient will help us create an effect using some shapes. Let's go to graphics so you would notice. Say, for example, this one right here. All right. You can use that. You can be creative. And of course, again, combining all of these, you can put in some transparency. kind of like that, or maybe this one, add it on the video right here. So these are your options. Of course, you are not limited with the depending on your creative vision, you can add as much as gradient as you can here on Canva, right? Like this one, I'm gonna add some transparency, so it's like a subtle blur effect. All right. And there's a lot that you can choose from here. You see, I'm gonna put it on the center. I'm gonna make it adjust. And of course, you can add some elements so they have like a seamless transitions. All right. Go to animate, say for example, sprint. Let's spray paint. You see that one? Now let's try to click on the play button on the upper right corner to see the changes. All right. Because blending in Canva involves using transparency, layering images. You see that? Applying blend modes and utilizing gradients to create visually appealing designs. And of course, experiment with these techniques to achieve the desired effect in your projects. Right? And after that, if you wanted to copy this and resize, you are also welcome to do that. In this case, I'm going to put in another one, maybe pan out. This one right here is, say, a gradient. This video right here, this one right here. Let's try to play that again to see how it looks. And again, you are welcome to adjust the transparency of any elements to allow background images to show through, creating a blended effect. All right. Place text over images and adjust the position and transparency for a cohesive look. Once you are happy with that, all you have to do now is click on close. You have multiple options on the top. You can simply download this file as an MP4, JPEG, PNG, PDF standard, SVG, which is best for web design and animations, MP4 video, obviously, and GIF. Or if you're still not finalizing the design, you might want to make sure that you share this to your team members, collaborators, clients, or freelancers by clicking on the public view, all right? Or embed the link to your website. If you do that, there's going to be two options, all right? The HTML embed code, which is good for like Squarespace or Wix. And these are some of your options to download as well for your cloud, like Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Box. If you want to share this in social media, you can choose all of these. Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn profile, Schedule, Twitter or X, TikTok, and a lot more. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.